I'm Tony Roslund. I'm a commercial architecture photographer. I became a commercial architecture photographer because I saw it as an opportunity to take something that people see every day and turn it into something that can make them stop or even take their breath away. I started being followed by well-known architecture photographers through social media. So I put together some marketing materials and started to chase down some of those bigger agencies, and fortunately was successful. I literally grew up in the studio. I'm a third-generation photographer. My grandfather was a photographer, my father a photographer, his brother a photographer, and then of course myself. My grandfather was also known as a photographer of kings. He used to work in the Washington, D.C. area and was often hired to photograph dignitaries at the White House. Through those photography sessions, he was hired by the King of Morocco for many, many years to be the official royal photographer. His attention to detail and the meticulous approach that he had to his work really rubbed off on me. Unfortunately, he passed away very early on in my career. One piece of advice before he passed away, it was our last meeting together, and he told me, "Don't worry about the competition, let them worry about you." It really is invaluable advice. I almost feel like I have something to prove. I want to be better than my father was. I want to be better than my grandfather was. I hope that my daughter has an interest in photography. I would love to have another generation of photographer in the family. There's also a lot of mentors in my life that have influenced my photography over the years, and I see their work and I want them to see my work as equal or better than the stuff they've been doing. Most what I want is to people to look back at my images and get as excited as I do when I look at the masters of photography's images. If you can continue to inspire up-and-coming artists long after you've gotten out of the game, that's pretty cool. When a teacher connects with a student and they can see it click, there's something to that. I teach because when somebody gets excited and wants to share something they've created with you as an instructor, and you see that they're starting to grasp those concepts, there's nothing else in the world quite like that. So I'll continue to do that until I don't have anything left to tell.